Hey there, welcome back to another video from our channel. Before we start, we would like to thank you for your continuous support. Our mission is to make psychology and mental health more accessible to everyone, and you help us do that. Now, let us begin. Have you ever found yourself getting upset over something someone else said or did? Perhaps you feel like you are always taking things to heart, and it is causing you unnecessary stress. Well, you are not alone. Learning how to not take things personally is a valuable life skill. It helps you build resilience, maintain healthy relationships, and fosters emotional well-being. But why do we take things personally in the first place? According to psychologist Dr. Abigail Brenner, most people personalize things because of ego defensiveness and low self-esteem. When you have an insecure sense of self-worth, you tend to react more strongly to any perceived threat or challenge. This leads to a fundamental misunderstanding of cause and effect. You see events or other people's behaviors as deliberate actions aimed at you, rather than random occurrences. So how can you stop taking things personally? Let us explore 10 psychological strategies to help you out. Number 1, understand the root causes. If you want to stop taking things personally, it is important to understand the underlying reasons behind this behavior. Dr. Brenner explains that personalization often stems from an unconscious attempt to protect our fragile egos and bolster our shaky self-esteem. By recognizing this pattern and understanding its root causes, you can start to break the cycle of taking things personally. Number 2, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool to help you stop taking things personally. By cultivating mindfulness, you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions in the present moment without judgment. This practice allows you to observe your thoughts as they arise, including those that may lead to taking things personally. When you notice these thoughts, gently acknowledge them and let them pass like clouds in the sky. Remember that just because you become aware of a thought doesn't mean you have to believe or act on it. Instead, choose to focus on the present moment and the actual meaning behind the situation. Number 3, validate your emotions. It is natural to experience a range of emotions, and it's important to acknowledge and validate them rather than suppressing or ignoring them. When you feel emotions like anger, sadness, or disappointment, take a moment to process and accept these feelings. Remind yourself that it is okay to feel this way and that these emotions are valid. By validating your emotions, you prevent them from turning into unhealthy patterns of taking things personally. Number 4, improve self-awareness. Increasing self-awareness is crucial to breaking the habit of taking things personally. Reflect on your past experiences and identify situations or patterns that trigger your tendency to personalize matters. Ask yourself questions like, what am I feeling right now? Why do I think this person's actions are against me? Understanding your triggers and thought processes will help you recognize when you're re-slipping into the habit of taking things personally. You can improve self-awareness through journaling, meditation, or therapy. By delving into your inner thoughts and emotions, you gain insight into the motivations driving your reactions. Once you pinpoint these motivations, such as insecurity or low self-esteem, you can consciously work on addressing them. Number 5, nurture your passions. Engaging in activities you genuinely enjoy can be a powerful way to shift your focus away from taking things personally. Make time for hobbies, interests, and goals that bring you joy and satisfaction. These could include painting, playing an instrument, gardening, or anything that you're passionate about. By immersing yourself in these activities, you naturally divert your attention away from external factors and toward your personal fulfillment. Number 6, challenge your assumptions. When you encounter situations that make you feel like someone is against you, pause and challenge your assumptions. Ask yourself, is there any solid evidence to support my belief that this person is targeting me? Often our minds jump to conclusions without considering alternative explanations. There might be perfectly logical reasons behind the person's behavior that have nothing to do with you. By challenging your assumptions and seeking clarity, you can prevent yourself from taking things personally. Number 7. Avoid jumping to conclusions. Another effective strategy is to avoid jumping to conclusions. When faced with challenging situations, practice patience and gather all the necessary information before forming an opinion. This approach helps you make a rational assessment of the situation and prevents you from letting your emotions overpower your judgment. Jumping to conclusions usually stems from our tendency to personalize matters, assuming that the actions of others are directed toward us. However, by taking a step back and considering alternative perspectives, you can avoid entering this harmful cycle. Number 8. Detoxify your social circle. While it is not always easy, it can be beneficial to detoxify your social circle and distance yourself from individuals who consistently bring negativity into your life. This might mean limiting contact with toxic friends or family members who constantly criticize or belittle you. Instead, surround yourself with positive and supportive people who uplift you and contribute to your emotional well-being. Remember that the company you keep significantly influences your thoughts and feelings. By choosing to spend time with those who value and respect you, you create an environment that fosters healthy perspectives and reduces the likelihood of taking things personally. Number 9. Learn to take criticism as a reflection of others. When faced with criticism or negative feedback, it is essential to remember that it often reflects more on the person giving it than on you. People who are unhappy or insecure in their own lives may lash out or try to tear others down. Their negative behavior is a projection of their own struggles and should not be taken personally. Instead of letting their words affect you, try to empathize with their situation and understand that their actions are a reflection of their own pain. Number 10. Develop assertiveness. Learning to be assertive is a valuable skill that can help you stop taking things personally. When you're assertive, you can clearly express your feelings and needs while respecting the rights of others. This allows you to set boundaries and communicate your emotions effectively without being passive or aggressive. By developing assertiveness, you can take control of your interactions and prevent misunderstandings that may lead to taking things personally. Techniques like active listening, using I statements, and practicing empathy can help you become more assertive in your communication style. And there you have it, 10 psychological strategies to help you stop taking things personally. Remember, learning to not take things personally is a journey that requires patience and practice. Start by understanding the root causes of this behavior and work on addressing them through various techniques like mindfulness, self-awareness, and nurturing your passions. By consistently applying these strategies, you can break the habit of taking things personally and cultivate a more positive and resilient mindset. Before we wrap up, do not forget to show your support if you found this video helpful. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to continue creating valuable content on psychology and mental health. Also, as you go through your day today, we challenge you to listen to our How You Can playlist. This carefully curated collection of our most empowering songs is designed to inspire and uplift you. Click the link below to access the playlist and let the music be your guide as you navigate through your day. We hope it brings a smile to your face and a song to your heart. Thanks for joining us on this journey towards a better understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Until next time, take care and remember that every small step you take is a step in the right direction.